How to uninstall Apple Music on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Music application on your phone. The Music app is used for playing music from your personal library and for streaming from the Apple Music catalog, which requires a subscription. As you can see, you will then be taken to the Music homepage. If you want to uninstall this app, then go back to the home screen. Tap and hold Music app as shown. Then, select Remove app. Here, tap on Delete app. Tap on Delete again to confirm. This will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone, but any documents or data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. Following these steps, you can easily uninstall Apple Music on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.